Miss Rosa from the Addison Public Library, and today I'm going to show you a really neat thing that you can do at home. So today we're going to be making ice cream. So this is going to be ice cream in a bag, and there's a few things that you need in order to make this experiment or this ice cream. So you're going to need a quart-sized baggie here, and a gallon-sized bag as well. You're going to need some rock salt, kosher salt, sea salt. Any salt is okay to use in this little do-it-yourself thing, but the best salt is usually kosher or like the bigger rocks, rock salt. Another thing that you're going to use is vanilla and sugar as well. You can either use regular milk, or you can use half and half and heavy whipping cream, or it's just okay to use half and half as well. So any dairy thing like this is okay to use for the do-it-yourself ice cream. So we're going, and then of course importantly, we need our ice. So the measurements for this is you need 1/3 of a cup of salt. So I'm using kosher salt. You're also going to need 2 tablespoons of sugar. So we grab some sugar from here. So that's 1 tablespoon right now. You're also going to need a teaspoon of vanilla. And I'll put that in a moment. So for the outside bag, you are going to put the salt, you are going to put the ice and the salt. For the smaller bag, you are going to put the milk, the sugar, and the vanilla. So this is going to be your ice cream. So inside is the ice cream, and the outside is what's going to freeze the inside of this baggie. So when you add salt to ice, it lowers the melting point, and that way it transfers the energy of the ice, so that iciness, the coldness of it, to the liquid that's in here, and that is going to help it freeze. So let's get started. So you are going to use the gallon-sized bag, and for this you need 2 to 3 cups of ice. So I'm just going to eyeball it here. So this is 2 cups. I'm going to put it on the outside bag. And here's another cup of ice. I have some extra ice there in case we need some more. We are going to put our salt in this baggie. We're going to put that aside. And now we're going to put our actual ice cream ingredients in here. So I have that's 1 tablespoon of sugar. And here is another tablespoon of sugar. I'm going to put a teaspoon of the vanilla extract. And put it into the quart-sized baggie, just like that. Close that back up. And now I have this over here, and I am going to use half and half for this ice cream. Open that up. So you are going to want to use a cup. I'm just going to put that there, and that is a cup of half and half. So I'm not going to end up using the heavy whipping cream for this one. But that's also an option that you can do. And I am going to pour the half and half into the quart-sized bag with the rest of the ingredients. So you have it nice in there. Put all of our ingredients in there to make the yummy ice cream. I'm going to make sure that I seal this and get the air out of it. Make sure it's nice and sealed because we are going to put this inside of the other bag, so the gallon-sized bag, with the salt and the ice. So like you saw, I kind of mix the ingredients in the little quart-sized bag before I put it in there, just so that everything is distributed and you don't get clumps of sugar. Alrighty then, and again, I'm going to double check. Make sure that this quart-sized bag is extra shut. We don't want it to spill, or we're going to get some salty ice cream. There we go. And some air out of that one as well. I am going to seal it. And this is going to take about 5 minutes. Alrighty then. It can take more than 5 minutes. That just depends. A really good tip that you can do with this as well is that you can grab some paper towels, a towel, or even an oven mitt or gloves, anything that you think is too cold for you. So you can bake it. You're going to be baking these containers. Going to get more firm, and you can stop every so often just to check to see how it's going. Alright, I'm going to keep working on this and we'll be back in a moment. Alrighty, let's see. You notice most of our ice already turned into water. We have some condensation here. There we go. Now we have some stiff ice cream. So it's not going to be as hard as some ice cream that you would buy at the store, but it's more like soft serve ice cream. Let's see. Alright, I got my spoon. Some delicious ice cream. It's very cold. Still got a little bit in there. Alrighty, I'm going to put this aside, and now you have some delicious ice cream, and you can put sprinkles on it, you can put fruit on it, you can put all sorts of things in your ice cream. I'm going to use some star sprinkles. Here we go, and here we have it again, some delicious ice cream with star sprinkles. And now the moment of truth. Let's see, does it actually taste good? Yep, it tastes like the real thing. There you go. Some do-it-yourself ice cream at home. Alrighty then, I hope you enjoy your ice cream today and have a great day as well. Bye, till next time.